welcome back to Shradysstyle. I hope you're all having a great day and thank you so much for joining me. Now I know it's been a minute since I posted a video here, but if you guys follow me on social media, you know that a couple of months back I had a LASIK eye surgery, and because of that, really bright lights would strain my eyes. So that's why I was putting off making videos for some time. I do have a video talking about my experience with LASIK eye surgery, so if you're interested, I'll have the link down below or somewhere on the screen and you can check it out. So Valentine's Day is around the corner, and I personally am not too big on celebrating Valentine's Day, but I was like, hey, what the hell, why not create a makeup look inspired by Valentine's Day? So the other day I was just scrolling through my Instagram feed and I saw a picture of Priyanka Chopra, and she had a really pretty like pink and purple sort of eye look, and I was like, this is the best inspiration I could get for Valentine's Day. So today's look is going to be inspired by Priyanka Chopra. So before I start with my makeup look, I'm going to take this Sephora cleansing milk. This is the coconut water cleansing milk, and I'm just going to take a cotton pad and just clean my face a little bit. This is just to get off any residue that might be on my face and just get us like a clean slate to start off with. And by the way, I haven't worn like real makeup in more than 2.5 months. I wore like a full face of makeup the last time I made a video, and that would be when I shot my $1 makeup video. That was back in November. And you know, I was just putting off wearing makeup for a few weeks before my surgery, because that's what I read, you know, that you should do before getting the eye surgery. And so I'm really excited, and this is a big day because yay, finally I get to wear like eyeshadow and mascara and everything. I was just sporting like an eyeliner and maybe some brow product and a lipstick, and that's it. But yeah, today is going to be a big day for me wearing a full face of makeup. Yay! So in today's video, I'm actually going to try out some new products. I got this all-in-one egg mellow cream, which is like a moisturizer from Sephora. So this is brand new. So I'm taking a little pump of this and whoa. Okay. And moisturizing my face with it. It smells really good and not eggy at all like I might have expected, but yeah, feels really good. I'm gonna moisturize my lips using my Maybelline Baby Lips. Today I'm gonna start off my look with some MAC Prep and Prime. This just like refreshes my face and, you know, gets me in the mood to do my makeup. So I would do like a couple of pumps of this, or 4, whatever. So today for my eye look, I'm gonna use my Violet Was hashtag palette. I was just browsing through Sephora and I just came across this palette and just loved all the pinks and purples and all the shades that I was looking for in a Valentine's Day look today. So I've already primed my lids using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and then I'm going to go in with the shade Goals, and I'm just going to take it on a fluffy blending brush and go right into my crease. Wow, this eyeshadow is so pigmented, wow, and it just gives off like the best, you know, transition shade for my crease. Next I'm going to take a fluffy but a more defined brush, and I'm going to go into the shade called TBT, which is like a nice purpley pink shade, and it's also matte. So I'm just going to lay it all over my eyelids. So when I looked at Priyanka's picture, she had the pink shade like right in her inner corner as well. So I'm just going to drag that shade TBT in my inner corner as well. And I'm just going to blend it with the previous shade Goals that we applied as the transition shade. I'm really liking the quality of these eyeshadows. I've never really used or even seen reviews of this palette before, and I'm really glad I bought it. I'm then going to take a flat eyeshadow brush and the shade Relevant, which is like a pink glitter, and I'm going to pack this on the inner thirds of my eye. You know what, this is not giving me that punch that I really needed, so I'm going to spray some Fix Plus on my brush and then dip my brush in the eyeshadow again and then pack it up. Next I'm going to take this satiny purple shade called Light on a like roundish eyeshadow brush, and I'm really going to go in my crease and really like purple things up a little bit. I'm also like dragging this outside to create like a nice wing. And finally I'm going to go in the shade called Pretty AF, which is like a pink glitter on another flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to pack a little bit of this on like the outer thirds of my eye. Now I'm going to go in with the same fluffy blending brush. I'm just going to blend the outer, the wing that we created so that it doesn't look like really harsh and like we really made an effort to get that wing there. Now because we have so much glitter and color going on our eyelids, I'm going to take this matte light shade called Fresh, and I'm just going to pop it on my brow bone. So next I'm going to be applying some concealer, and this is the usual Tarte Shape Tape. I'm just going to dot some of this
under my eyes, my nose, forehead, chin, under my jawline, the usual.
So lightly dusting all over my concealer areas just to like set it in place. So Priyanka doesn't seem to have like a chiseled out cheekbone, so I'm just going to slightly bronze up my face to just give me some color. I'm using my Wet n Wild Contouring Duo and using this contour shade. I'm just going to lightly bronze up my face. Now she may not have contoured chiseled out cheeks, but she does have like really rosy pink cheeks. So I'm going to use this blush shade by NARS, which is called Orgasm. And then for highlight, I'm going to use this pinkish highlight shade from the Kali Bible palette on this e.l.f. $1 brush that I got. And if you haven't seen from where, check out my last video. I'm going to pop this on the bridge of my nose, on the tip of my nose, the tops of my cheek, my cupid's bow. Her center of the face is really nice and highlighted, but I'm trying not to go really overboard with this highlight because I could do this all day long and still feel like it's not enough. So next for my lower lash line, I'm going to take this shade TBT, which is like the pinky magenta shade, and it's matte. I'm going to take this right under my lower lash line. I'm also going to take the shade Life, which is like a purple satin shade, on the same brush, and I'm just going to go over that shade that we applied earlier. Now while my liquid liner is drying, I'm going to go ahead and finish off my lips. I'm using this Bare Minerals liquid lipstick in the shade OMG. It's like the perfect pinkish purple shade that I own. And now while my liquid lipstick is drying, I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara on my upper lashes. I'm going to use my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. Now Priyanka's lip shade is a little more satiny and purpley, and mine is more on the pink side, I feel. So what do we do when we don't have the exact shade match? We top it off with an eyeshadow. So I'm going to use this Pretty AF eyeshadow, which is like a purpley glittery shade, and I'm going to top my lip shade off with this eyeshadow. I think I have achieved the purple shade, but I haven't really achieved the glitter that I wanted. So I'm going to go ahead with this Relevant shade. But we aren't done yet. I'm going to apply a final coat of mascara on my lower lashes. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching me create this lovely, fun, girly, pink and purpley look for Valentine's. And I hope you recreate this look and tag me on all of your social media posts. And on that note, if you liked watching this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also share and subscribe to my channel. It would really mean a lot to me if I could get 1,000 subscribers, because I wouldn't be able to hold my channel where it is on YouTube if I don't hit that subscriber goal. So please share this video and ask your friends and family and relatives to subscribe to my channel. It would really mean a lot to me. And on that note, take good care of yourselves, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.